So we're still looking at solving two-step inequalities. In this case, we need to be careful because we're going to be dividing by a negative number. And remember that when we multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative value, we have to switch the direction of the inequality symbol. So we start with 8 minus 3x is less than or equal to negative 13. We want to isolate the variable term, the negative 3x in this case, so we'll subtract 8 from both sides. So 8 minus 8 is 0. That leaves us with negative 3x on the left-hand side is less than or equal to negative 21. Negative 13 minus 8 is negative 21. So now we divide both sides by negative 3. The negative 3's cancel on the left, leaving us with x. Now we divided by a negative value on both sides, so we need to switch the direction to x is greater than or equal to. Negative 21 divided by negative 3 is 7. And if we graph that on a number line to indicate our solution, and it doesn't matter where you start or finish on your number line as long as the 7 is included in there somewhere. So we'll go ahead and this is inclusive. It includes the equal sign, so we make a closed circle at x equals 7 to indicate that 7 is a solution to the inequality as well. And then it's greater than, so we go to the right. So there's our solution graphed on our number line. And now we'll check our solution. We'll start with x equals 6 on the left, then x equals 7, then x equals 8. We want 7 and 8 to work. We don't want 6 to work because that's not part of our solution. So if x equals 6, then 8 minus 3 times 6, is that less than or equal to negative 13? So 8 minus 18, is that less than or equal to negative 13? Negative 10 is not less than negative 13. That's good because x equals 6 is not part of our solution. At x equals 7, we should get equals 13. We should get 13 equals 13. So 8 minus 3 times 7, is that less than or equal to negative 13? 8 minus 21, is that less than or equal to negative 13? Negative 13, 8 minus 21, less than or equal to negative 13. And it is equal to negative 13, so that checks. And then we'll check x equals 8. We can use any value greater than 7. You could use 10, 20, 30, whatever you want to use, just to double check our solution. So I like to stay close to the value in question, where the inequality starts, which is going to be at 7. So I'll go to 8, and 8 minus 3 times 8, is that less than or equal to negative 13? So that's 8 minus 24. Is that less than or equal to negative 13? And then 8 minus 24, that is going to end up being negative 16, which is less than negative 13, so that checks. And this verifies that our solution to 8 minus 3x is less than or equal to negative 13 is, in fact, x is greater than or equal to 7.